Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best car music player you should check out for your next road trip. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the EZGU. Let's get started. Product feature. The 4-channel output delivers incredible power to your speakers, ensuring every beat and note hits with crystal clear precision for a truly immersive listening experience. Experience sound that fills your cabin with life, making your favorite podcasts and playlists feel more vibrant and detailed than ever before during your daily commute. Take full control from anywhere in the car with the included remote. Adjust volume or skip tracks without ever needing to lean over or touch the dashboard, keeping things safe and easy. Choose from 7 beautiful adjustable lighting colors to match your car's interior or your current mood, adding a modern and stylish glow to your dashboard every time you drive. Stay on schedule with a bright, easy-to-read clock display that keeps you updated on the time, helping you manage your appointments smoothly while you are on the road. The Smart Power Off memory function remembers your clock settings, so you don't have to worry about resetting the time every single time you get back into the driver's seat. Thanks to the thoughtful memory feature, your music won't blare unexpectedly when you start the car, giving you a calm, controlled, and peaceful beginning to every journey. Pros. You will love how this player transforms your daily commute into a soulful journey. The powerful sound quality makes every drive feel special, while the customizable lights create a cozy personal sanctuary. It's incredibly easy to use, making it a reliable companion for drivers who value comfort and simplicity without compromising on modern style or high-quality audio performance. Cons. While it offers a great range of features, the remote control requires a clear line of sight to the unit, which might take a moment to get used to. Additionally, the clock display is very helpful, but some users might find the lighting colors a bit bright during long night drives if they prefer a very dim interior environment. Final thoughts. Bringing a bit of joy to your car shouldn't be complicated, and this player makes it effortless. It's about more than just music. It's about creating an atmosphere where you feel at home on the road. Whether you're heading to work or a weekend getaway, the reliable performance and warm aesthetics give you the confidence to enjoy every mile with a smile and total peace of mind. Upgrade your drive today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Best Product and like this video. See you in the next one.